Here it comes. Y'all coming in?
Going down?
Down, yeah. Oh, okay. All right, this is the elevator at Simon Hall, Indiana University, Bloomington. And I don't know what this is, but it's humongous. Look at how crazy big this thing is. 3 works, but I bet we're gonna stop. Get my quick cab view. This thing is huge. And yeah, we're stopping. Coming up?
What? Yeah.
What floor?
3rd floor.
All right. And will you have a nice day? I mean, seriously, look at how big this thing is. Wow. Massive. It's got a 10,000 pound capacity. Holy crap. This thing is insane. Wow. Should close. There it goes. And that'll be it.